Hey guys, welcome to Trade FX with TY. So sorry guys, it's been a little while. I've been extremely busy and I'm so happy to be back here today. So let's see what we have. Happy new month of September. Let's see what we have for the month of September. So first of all, we check our economic data to see what we have going on for this week. And let's see, do we have any high impact news? That way we know what to look out for. That way we are prepared for what is to come, for any changes, volatility, and all of that in the market. So let's see. Let me load this up real quick. Okay. Not sure. There should be news on today. Let's see. So we go to the high impact news. And this is the investing.com app. I'm not sure why it's telling me there is no events. So make sure my internet is working fine. Okay. Alright, so let's see. Let's just make sure. Okay, so this is what we have. This is all the news we have for this week. There was a holiday on Monday and Tuesday. We have which was yesterday. We have the ISM. It was negative bearish for dollar. So all the news was bearish for dollar. And then today, Wednesday, we have the JOT job opening. It's a high impact news, but it's not as crazy as other news like NFP and all that. So you can watch out for that. That is at I think 8:30 a.m. New York time. And then Thursday, this is we have so many news to watch out for. We have the ADP non-farm payroll news. I think that's at 8:30 New York time as well. IJ's initial jobless claim, S&P global. I think that's for the trade stock market. ISM manufacturing, crude oil. If you trade US oil, there was a news on Thursday as well. And then on Friday, we have one of the biggest news, the non-farm payroll and unemployment rate. These two news are actually three news is going to be release data at the same time, so the market will be crazy at that time at 8:30 a.m. New York time. If you are not sure of the direction, best thing is to close your trade and then enter after the trade, unless you are swing trading and you've been in the trade for maybe weeks or days. Then you know it cannot impact your trade or your stop loss, or maybe you already have your stop loss in profit, so you literally don't care. So let's see what we have for this week. Let's see. So right here I have Euro. I have the Euro USD, and this is the daily. First of all, I like to check the DXY, and my prediction for this month is that DXY will be bearish due to the fundamental analysis on DXY is very, very bearish. The US government, they confirmed last month, I think it was it last week or something, at Jackson Hole, that they are going to cut the interest rate. And when they cut interest rates, lowering interest rate is bearish for dollar, which means all other assets like stock market, gold, and they will all keep soaring, keeps skyrocketing. So if you want to look into investing in other assets, because cutting the interest rates will mean there will be more inflation, there will be more supply of dollar, but prices the dollar, there will be devaluation of the dollar, so prices of goods will be higher compared to the value of your dollar, unfortunately for people in the USA. So be prepared and get ready for that. So over here on the daily, we're on the daily time frame. Let's go to the monthly time frame. So as we can see, dollar broke this support right here, broke the support right here, broke out, and then came to retest, and it's been consolidating here for the past 4 months, 1 2 3 4. So it hasn't been doing anything. So if it's continue to fall, my next take profit is at this level. Actually, my overall take profit is at let's see, come on, my overall take profit is at this level right here, the $89. So I'm expecting dollar to continue to fall actually. So last month closed bearish, so I'm expecting we are just a pullback right now, I think yesterday, and it should continue to fall, I'm guessing from tomorrow, from today actually. So let's just, since we have seen what's going on the monthly, let's go to the weekly and see what's going on. Okay, as you can see, there's so many exhaustion after this bearish, after this reversal candle right here. There is so many exhaustion for the past 4 weeks or so. Price is not able to break to come and break past this resistance here. So this is what we call exhaustion candle, and on the daily as well, that will give us a more detailed analysis. So on the daily, this was yesterday candle and this was today's candle. We can see that it was bullish yesterday, and I think that is just to retrace this to cover up this what is it called, this liquidity candle right here. And I feel dollar should continue to fall. My first target will be this level, but the overall target will be $93. So if you're selling, I will put my short position right here. If you trade DXY, so first position right here, stop loss right here, and overall take profit, like I said, will be down here. So first take profit will be here, or if you're a scalper or day trader, your first take profit will be here. If you're a swing trader, if you want to hold for some day, because this is the daily, this can take maybe a whole week, like this can even take a whole month to play out, because these are daily candles. So that's my prediction for DXY. So now that we know DXY is bearish, then we'll look for buys on all other pairs that is against the US dollars. Just as simple as that. So let's go to GBP USD. Okay, so GBP USD on the monthly, let's see the monthly. Okay, so on the monthly, price is forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and there is a pullback right here to retest the resistance. So, and since we know dollar is bearish, I see this I see GBP USD going higher. First take profit will be here, and second take profit will be to this resistance right here. So let's go down to the daily to find our entry. So this was yesterday candle. I think there was a rejection right here. Okay, and this is currently today's candle right here. So price forms something like a left inverse head and shoulder. This is the head, this is the right shoulder, and this is the left shoulder. Looks like it broke it a little. It broke that right shoulder a little bit, but I think it's a fake breakout. So if I'm buying, I'll definitely buy from here. Long position. My first take profits right here. That's about 400 pips. That's a good risk to reward. Stop loss right there. And then my second take profits will be right here. So that's pretty much it for GBP USD. And then let's see, I'm actually currently in this GBP USD trade with my VIP group. By the way, if you're looking to join us, join my VIP group where I send signals for the trades I am taking, and I have a free Telegram channel as well. So if you're interested, I'll put the link down below for my VIP trading section. So you can basically copy the trades that I'm trading on there, and it's just $40 per month. So DM the contacts that are down below if you're interested to join our private VIP private room signal. So that's pretty much it for GBP. And in my VIP, I'm always communicating, letting you know where to get in, where to get out, if there's a change in the market, when to close, when to keep holding, when to break even, like move your stop loss into entry, when to move your stop loss into profit. So it's, yeah, if you're in my VIP, you know we've been balling. All right, guys, so this is my Euro USD is pretty much the same thing, just they move together like GBP USD, so I don't even need to check that. USD JPY, let's see, I'm currently in USD JPY as well, so let's see the trend. So dollar is bearish, like I said. This was yesterday's candle. So there was this huge sale. Okay, let me just quickly go over the monthly for those wondering what's going on here. Okay, so as we can see, price formed like a M pattern right here. So price was on an uptrend, higher high, higher low, almost a higher high, came down here and broke out here to form a higher high, and price came back to retest this level, and price should have broken this level, but price could not, making it like a M pattern. So price is currently playing around here. This is the neckline, I feel, and if price break out of this neckline, the next support, which I think it will, since dollar is bearish, the next support will be right here, yep. So USD JPY is bearish. So last month candle closed bearish, and there was a pullback retracement going on right now, and price should continue to fall down. So my first take profit will be this level. My second take profit, if it breaks this level, my second take profit will be this level. So shorting USD JPY. And that's a good risk to reward as well. So on the daily, let's see what it looks like. Like I said, I'm already shorting, I'm already in short position, just waiting for that massive drop. I entered somewhere around here, so I'm just waiting for the massive drop on USD JPY. So let's see gold, everyone's favorite. SAU USD. Gold is on a mighty bullish uptrend because, like I said, dollar is bearish. So gold formed like a, let's see, I think gold finally broke out of the crazy range that was eating everybody's money. So I called gold bullish. I think I called it from this level. That was like 2 or 3 months ago, and it was just consolidating. Ooh. If you've been in this trade for the past 4 months, kudos to you. Ooh, it's not easy. So it's finally broke out of this. Let me delete this so you guys can see very well, because I saw like a triangle pattern here the last time, so I knew it was going to either break out downward or upward. So right now it has broken out upward, and right here my target, I have already put in my target that if it breaks out of this 3.5, my overall target will be 3,947. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, dollar is bearish, so, and I'm already in this trade as well. I got in this level to this level. So if you are getting it now, you can look for entry on a smaller time frame, look for pullbacks and then you can take your long position. Price is already too high, I guess, right now, so you can look for a little pull back to like maybe $3,500, and then you can get an entry there. And always calculate your stop loss to make sure gold is very volatile if you're not, especially if you're trading a small account, so you want to be careful with trading gold. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this analysis. Hopefully you guys found something. I will try and be more consistent in this month as well for the rest of this year. At least my plan is to do at least 3 times a week analysis on prediction, market prediction. I will come beginning of the week, middle of the week, and then end of the week we'll have a recap of our trades. So let me quickly go over the stock market as well. S&P 500, Nasdaq, all of them, US 30, they are all the same. I'm currently trading in the S&P 500 as well. Yep, so I'll call it here. So my prediction as well is that because it's literally dollar against everything. That's pretty much it, guys. It's dollar. If dollar is bearish, even if the other ones are acting crazy, trust me, they are negatively correlated with dollar. Sometimes they can be manipulated. Dollar will be selling and you will see gold selling sometimes. It's just market manipulation. It shouldn't be because they are negatively correlated. So S&P 500 as well, I have already marked my what is it called, my take profit level. So if you're getting in, I'm getting out of here. I'm predicting it to 7,000. So it will keep going up. It's been an uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and I feel like market is on the last leg up. It may even go up to $7,500 to $8,000, and that's like the all-time highs. Yep. So you had it here. S&P 500 is going high. Yep. So if you are trading it, it is possibly positively correlated with Nasdaq. So if you are trading indices, Nasdaq, US 30, just if this one is buying, just know the other ones are buying as well. So there is no need for us to go over all of that. So thank you so much for watching this, guys. Check down the link below if you're interested in my group class. Actually my one-on-one Zoom training is for 2 days. So if you're interested in that as well, reach out to me through the contact down below. You can WhatsApp me, you can DM on Instagram at TradeFX with TY, and then also my free Telegram channel link. Everything will be linked down below. And if you're interested in my VIP, that's where I post my personal all my personal daily trades on there. So follow me on Instagram at TradeFX with TY, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.